An introduction to the concept of microcirculation is what we'll be having. So for the concept of microcirculation, this is more of like you're trying to look at how blood flows through what? The arterioles, the capillaries, and the venules. So you're looking at what? Just those micro stops. Okay, how they impact what? Blood circulation. So for microcirculation, we said that what? Microcirculation is the blood flow through the smallest vessels in the circulatory system. Okay. Now, these smallest blood vessels include things like what? Arterioles, venules, shunts, capillaries. Okay. Microcirculation exists in all tissues and organs except for the cornea. All right. Microcirculation is the circulation of blood in the smallest blood vessels and microvessels of the microvasculature, okay, that are present within organ tissues. The microvessels include what? The terminal arterioles. Then from them, you have the meta-arterioles, then capillaries, then venules. Okay, so these are two different definitions. These two things are two different definitions. So you pick any one of them and actually work with it. This is microcirculation. Arterioles. Then they said meta-arterioles. Okay, you say, or you could just say arterioles, capillaries, and veins. So how does this microcirculation failure cause cell dysfunction and death? It's simply that probably the cell will not be receiving oxygen, or the waste products that will be carried away from the cell will not be carried away again. Okay, so this will lead to what? Cell dysfunction and the death of the cell. Now, failure of oxygen delivery to the microcirculation will impair the normal cell activities necessary for maintenance of cell life, which are the ATP dependent. I know that what energy is carried, or oxygen for burning energy is carried to the cell by what? This microcirculation. All right. So this energy is needed to perform things like what? Maintenance of the membrane potential, production of enzymes and proteins, cell metabolic signaling, cell division, DNA repair, and gene expression. So the cell needs this energy for all these what? Activities. Now, if the energy is not there, if there's a failure in the microcirculation, it will basically result to what? Cell dysfunction and death. So that's it for the introduction to microcirculation concept. See you guys pretty soon.